Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp tacos. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth cooking process. You'll need about 1 pound of shrimp, your preferred tortillas, and a selection of fresh toppings. A quick seasoning mix of chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder will give your shrimp amazing flavor. Don't forget fresh lime and cilantro for that essential bright finish. Now let's cook the shrimp. Pat your shrimp thoroughly dry. This helps them sear beautifully. Toss them with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and your prepared seasoning blend. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat, then add the shrimp. Cook for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Remember, overcooked shrimp can become rubbery, so watch them closely for perfect tenderness. With your shrimp perfectly cooked, it's time to assemble those delicious tacos. Gently warm your tortillas. You can do this in a dry skillet for about 30 seconds per side or briefly in the microwave. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing. Next, spoon a generous amount of the flavorful shrimp into the center of each warm tortilla. Then, drizzle your favorite creamy sauce over the shrimp. Finally, let's add those finishing touches. Garnish your shrimp tacos with fresh shredded cabbage for crunch, diced avocado for creaminess, and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. A final squeeze of fresh lime juice over everything will truly elevate all the flavors, bringing a wonderful brightness to each bite. These tacos are incredibly versatile, so feel free to experiment with your favorite toppings. Check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing homemade shrimp tacos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.